Welcome back to my graphic design journey using CorelDRAW 2017. So today we'll be talking about tests using the test tool. Now check my cursor, this is our test tool. Now there are two ways of carrying out this test tool. The first one is just by you clicking where you want to type in your text and you go about by typing your text. So after that, if you want to edit this text in terms of the font size, then if you want to bold it, italic and underline and the alignment and every other stuff, so you can just check your property bar, then everything will be there, right? So now, if you want to like have a couple of texts, a couple of texts that just have to be like a letter, that you know that this thing is not meant for graphics, but you just want to type it. Now you can just macro select. What I mean, like you can just hold down your left click and macro select like this, right? Then you can carry out your text. Now this thing will look like a page. So if you are familiar with Microsoft Word, this particular thing will look like a Microsoft Word page for you to type. So from here you can just, let's say I want to have a heading at the center of this my post. So I will come here, I will click on center alignment, then I can type my graphic design journey here. So I can press enter. Let's say I want to start my typing, so I can come back here and justify. I can put it in justify, then I can start my typing. So I can start my typing, right? So that is for the second way of carrying out your text inside the CorelDRAW. From the text tool, another thing that you can actually see there is our table. Now this is our table. I click on this arrow, then you bring out this table. Now this one will enable you to insert a table. So, and what is table? Table is intersection of rows and columns to give you a cell. Now once you click on this table, right, so you have your property bar for table where you can adjust your table. For example, the first thing that you need to know is your number of rows and columns. From here now I have my 4 rows, 4 columns, right? So let's say I change this thing to 3 by 4, which is 3 rows, 3 columns. So if I draw, so you are going to have it like we have our 3 rows here and 4 columns from here. So we have each cell. So you can just click on this cell, right, and begin your typing. Let's say this one is column column 1. So let me zoom it. So this one is our column 1. So this one is our column column 2. Please, you are using your tab key to move from one set to another. So this one is our column 3. So this is how you proceed, or you can easily click wherever you want to type. This one is our row 2. So that is how you proceed with your table, right? So we'll be stopping the class here, but anything that have to do with editing, let me just prove it. Anything that have to do with editing in respect to table or in respect to text, there's one thing you need to know, that everything is under your property bar. What do I mean? For example, if I should click on the text like this, right, then I click like this, then I make a typing like my graphic design journey. So if I make this typing, anything that I want to use to edit this text is under the property bar. So, and what are those things that I need to edit this text? I'm just talking about normal typing, the one of the graphics. So I'm just talking about how to edit the text. So if you want to edit this text, everything that you need is under the property bar, like your bold, your italic, your underline, your alignment, your font style, right? Everything is under the property bar. So that will be all for today.